Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Priyavrata and today I'll show you how to migrate instances from one region to another. And to do that, first we need to create EC2 instance. After creation of the EC2 instance, we need to stop the instance. Then we need to create the image of AMI and then we need to copy that AMI to another region and at last we need to launch the instances. So let's start with our lab today. So first we need to create a dashboard EC2 instance. I'll click on launch instance. Then I'll select T2 micro as AMI, that instance type. Add storage, add tag. I'll give the name as migration. Then I'll click on configure security group. Then I'll select source as anywhere. I'll create a new security group, review and launch. I'll create a new key pair. I'll give the name as migration. I'll download the key pair and I'll launch the instance. So it's launched now, so it is in pending state. So let's wait for some time. I'll refresh this. So till then I'll show you how to migrate availability zone as well as VPC. So I'll click on server 2012 R2. Then I'll click on configure instance details. Here you need to select the subnet as availability zone, which availability zone you required. Suppose you are into 2B availability zone and you want to migrate into 2A, then you need to select 2A, or else from default to 2B also you can select as it is. And if you create a for VPC, suppose you are into default VPC and you need to migrate into your personal or your creation of VPC, then you need to select that VPC while migration. Okay, but so this is how you need to migrate VPC and availability zone. So I'll not go for this because we are migrating as a region. So we'll wait for initializing. So I'll click on connect, RDP client. Then I'll download the RDP file. Then I'll click on get password. I'll browse it. I'll select this key pair migration. I'll click on decrypt password. So I'll copy this password and I'll log in to RDP now. I'll paste the password and I'll click on OK. I'll click on yes. So we logged into our RDP. It is loading now. Now we need to go to instance. So it is still loading now. We'll refresh this. So it's logged in now. I'll refresh this. You can see in the right hand side, host name, instance ID, public IP address, private IP address, availability zone, instance size and architecture. So this is the details of this EC2 instance. So I'll just minimize this. I'll refresh this. So now what I need to do is we need to select this and we need to stop this instance. So I need to click on stop instance. I'll click on stop. So let wait for the status will be in stopped mode. It will take some time. So this is how you need to stop the instance, and once it gets stopped, then we need to copy that EMI. Now it is in stopped status. So now what we need to do is we need to click on action, image and template, and create image. So once we click on create image, you need to give the name of this migration and description as well. My first EC2 instance migration. Now we scroll down and we need to click on create image. So my image has been created now. So we need to scroll down and we need to go to image tab under AMI. See, it is now showing in the pending status because it is creating an image. So let's wait for some time for the available status. It will take some time to come up with the available status. So we'll wait for some time. So now it is in available status. So now what we need to do is we need to click on action, copy AMI, and we need to mention the destination region. So I'll go for Asia Pacific Mumbai. Then I'll click on copy AMI. So once it gets copied, you will get this message pop-up which states that the AMI copy operation has been initiated. Note that you may have to refresh the AMI screen to see your new AMI. It can take a few minutes until the new AMI is displayed. So we need to click on this visit AMI's page in AP South 1, that is Mumbai region. I'll just click on this. So it will redirect to our Mumbai region. Here you can see it is copied in the Mumbai region, but the status is showing pending because it is still loading now. So once it shows in the available status, then we need to launch the instances. So let's wait for some time for the available status. So now it is in available status. Now what we need to do is we need to launch this instance. So we need to click on launch. Then we need to configure instance details. It will be as it is. Add storage will be as it is. Add tag, I'll give a name as Mumbai region. Then we need to click on configure security group. Then in the source we need to select anywhere. Then we need to click on review and launch. Then I will click on launch. Here we need to select create a new key pair. We'll give a name as Mumbai region key pair, and I will download this key pair, and we need to click on launch instance. So it is showing in pending status now. So let's wait for the running state. So guys, this is how you need to migrate EC2 instance from one region to another region. And also I showed you how to migrate availability zone and VPC as well. This is the most important lab in AWS. In the interview, they may ask you how to migrate EC2 instance from one region to another region. Then you need to tell them a steps. First, we need to create EC2 instance. Then we need to stop that instance. Then we need to create an image. Then copy that AMI to another region. And then last, we need to launch the instances. So this is how we need to migrate, the steps, how to migrate EC2 instance from one region to another region. So this is how this lab ends up here. And guys, don't forget to terminate the instance from both the region, Mumbai region and OU region. And also don't forget to detach or deregister this EC2 instance, this AMI. Otherwise it will be a charge. So better you need to deregister this AMI and delete that AMI. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the section. I'll help you out. So, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And also share this video or link to your office colleagues, friends and families, those who want to learn AWS. Thank you so much. Good night.